Hi, this is Miss Cox, and I'm going to show you how to do the flashy flashcard because frankly this was one that confused me. Um, there are several different ways to do this, and the tricky part is that it really only lets you do it one specific way. So here's how to do it. So this is saying var draw equals function. So this is that repeating function. It's going to just keep repeating this and keep drawing this over and over and over. So right now, it's drawing over and over and over this background, the green background. It's filling in this rectangle, and then it's changing the text to black, and it's saying that this is the black text. So now, in this, we're going to add an if-else statement. So if, we'll say mouse is pressed, because up here, we're basically going to allow it to display the answer when the mouse is pressed. So if the mouse is pressed, do this. So let's say what we want it to do is display the text. And this is JavaScript, comma, and we'll just make it in the same position here. So 39,200. 39,200. All right, so basically, what I've done is, if I click, it will come up with that JavaScript. Now the problem is, we don't want the other text to just stay there. So what we need to do is add an else statement. So else, so basically if the mouse is not being pressed, we want it to show this text. What programming language is this? So I'm going to move this text. I'm going to cut, and paste that into this else statement. Now, the trick here, and the reason this works now, is it is repeating this over and over, basically where it draws the background, it draws the box, and then it's checking if the mouse is pressed to say JavaScript. If the mouse isn't pressed, to say what programming language is this. That's what the if-else statement is doing. If is checking for if this is happening, do this. Otherwise, or else is basically otherwise, do this. So if I click here, now it works. Fantastic. Hopefully this helps you guys.